Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular models, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out as we explore their features, performance, and overall value. When it comes to price, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $99.99, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is significantly cheaper at $69.99. This price difference makes the DUMOS a more attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In terms of design, the HiCOZY features a modern white finish with stainless steel elements, giving it a sophisticated look. On the other hand, the DUMOS has a sleek black design that appeals to those who prefer a darker aesthetic. Both units are compact and portable, but the choice of color may influence your decision based on your kitchen decor. Noise level is another important factor to consider. The DUMOS Ice Maker operates at a specified noise level of under 40 decibels, making it quieter than many other appliances. The HiCOZY, while marketed as low noise, does not provide a specific dB rating. If a quiet operation is a priority for you, the DUMOS may have the edge. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and DUMOS countertop ice makers offer impressive features for ice production. The DUMOS stands out for its affordability and quiet operation, while the HiCOZY excels in design and self-cleaning capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.